Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to activate due dates in Wrike. In Wrike, setting due dates for tasks is essential for effective project management and timely task completion. I'm going to walk you through the process and how you can set and manage due dates. So first, you can set due dates for tasks via item view. So open the tasks you want to schedule. Let's say I have project and folders and I have this project I'm working on. It's administration and I have a couple of tasks in here. So all I have to do is to open the tasks that I want to schedule, and it's going to open the tax field. In the tax management field, go ahead and look for the date field that's here. Now click on it. You have to set the start date and due date for your tax. So let's say the start date is 28th of March and my due date is, let's say this is going to be the 29th of March, and it has a duration for 1 day. That's it. Optionally, you can specify the duration in hours, minutes, or days for a more precise schedule. Okay, and once you're done, just go ahead and check out, just click out, and you see that that has been added. So that's like 2 days. Now you can also use email integration. When creating tags via email, you can include the due date in the subject line within square brackets. In the format, you have year, then followed by the month and followed by the day. All right, and that's just pretty much it. So how can you manage due dates? If a tax timeline changes, you can update its due date by clicking on the existing date field and selecting a new date. Okay, so here is a due date attached to this, so you can just click on it, and once you click on it, you can just go ahead and adjust it to whatever the due date is. And also you can add date roll-up feature to ensure that project or folder dates automatically adjust based on the dates of their sub items. For example, tags or subfolders, you can enable the date roll-up feature. All right, so in the table view, just go ahead and locate due date column, then click on the once you locate this, just go ahead and click on the dot. All right, so just go ahead and click on the ellipsis that is right next to due date, and select an option for you to calculate sub items. And once you click on calculate sub items, you'll be able to enable the date roll up feature. You can also use automation. All right, so Wrike allows you to set up automation rules to modify due dates dynamically. For instance, you can create a rule that adjusts the due dates when a tax status changes. And how do you do that? You can also write Wrike's with Wrike's dynamic date management and automation. You can modify start and due date using formulas, ensuring better alignment with project timelines. Okay, so you can just go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.